Alright, this afternoon I have a challenge lock here from Fedaalis84, or Fedaalis84. It's Fedaalis 84. I got this lock in a package from Cajun Lockpick. He got it from Fedaalis84. One of my previous videos, I picked this one from Cajun Lockpick. And now I'm going to pick this one from the other guy. I believe his first name's Rob, which I'll just use Rob because it's a little easier to say and remember. But feels like poking around a minute ago. Yep, it's got 6 pins, and we'll see if we can't get it open here. Or at least poke around at it a little bit. Not a lot on 1, nothing on 2. 3's not binding. So 4's binding. I think that one's good for now. Nothing on 5. 6 is binding. A little bit there. Let's come back to 1. Some binding on 1. Little click. I think it's good. Nothing on 2, 3, 4. 4 is binding again. Click. Good. Decent false set there. Probably got some spool action in here. 5. Get counter rotation on 5. A lot of pressure. Okay. And then nothing on 6. Or that was 4, sorry. 4 again. Nothing on 5. Some counter rotation there on 6. Drop. Heard something drop. 6 feels pretty good. Let's see what dropped here. Not anything on 1. Little click there when I touch 2. Counter rotation on 2. Let's go with 3. Alright, there's a little click there on 3. Let's try 2 again. Let's try, nope. A little click there on 2. 3. Dropped a lot of stuff there. 6. 1, 2. Alright. Feel like I've boogered that one. Let's start again. It was 3 or 4 first pin to kind of get some action on. There's 4. Right. Click out of 4, nothing on 5. Bunch out of 6. Probably just overset that. Yeah, boogered that. Something on 1 there. 2, 3, 4. There's that big false set. Counter rotation on 5, maybe. Six, nothing. There's a counter rotation on 5. Nothing on 6. Back to 1. 1 feels hard, but it's not doing anything. Let's see, something here on 3. And there we go. Alright. Nice, good clicks out of there. Tell there's some good stuff going on the inside. Very responsive on the pins. I imagine these to be machined pretty well. So we'll go get this thing back here. We'll take it apart and see what's inside. Alright. Start by taking this off the back. Couple of Phillips head screws here. Okay, and we need a key. Guess this, yeah, this is the key for it. Let's see what this looks like. That's interesting. So this is a I was picking 6 pins in here. There's 5. This key's cut for 5. I would imagine. I guess the 6th is on being guided on the end of this on the end of the key here on the slope, but I'm definitely picking 6. It's an interesting way to do that. Keep from having to. You can add another pin to the cylinder there and not have to get another key. So I like that. Let's see my follower. Let's see, yep, that'll be it there. Yo. So I've got get these. I've got a driver pin giving me a headache there. And then one driver came out there. Saw the way that it was, that's going to be for 1. So we'll go ahead and put that one there. Okay. So yeah, there are 6 pins in here. 5-pin key, 6 pins. It does look like it's sitting right on the end of that key, so that's pretty neat. Let's go ahead and dump these out here. Start with number 6. The long key pin. No modifications. 5. It's kind of the same. No modifications on the pin. 4. No modifications there. 3. No mods. 2. No modifications, and then 1. Wouldn't have guessed that. So I guess here was some of the friction I was getting into. There are looks like there's some he's tapped some of these. Maybe all, no, 1, looks like 4 maybe 4 or 5 of them are tapped. It's hard to tell. It's a little faint. Maybe a little bit of counter milling in there. A little hard to tell. But so that's where some of that grittiness was coming from. It's that that threading or tapping in there. Alright. So let's see what these driver pins look like. We've already got number 1 out. And then number 2. Number 3. There. Let's come at it from this way so I can see their orientation. Not the best. I don't have pinning tweezers at the moment, so I'm not the best at grabbing them first thing, so I like to see what end is coming out. For when it explodes on me, I know which way to put it. Very interesting Christmas tree style driver pin there for number 4. No, that's a good looking pin for sure. Alright, so let's get the I don't know if these are all standard springs or not. That one's in there. Pin for spring for 6. 5 and 4. Pin spring for 1. Come on now. There's 2. And the last one, 3. So, as I suspected, good thing I didn't just dump them out. It looks like, can't tell if that's a looser spring. Different compression, or if it's just been stretched. Hard to tell if it's been stretched or not, but it does have a slightly different look to it. See if I can bring these closer for a close up here. As I said, and for the number 4 driver pin there, nice little Christmas tree style pin. I really like that one. So there you have it. That's a the challenge lock from Fedaalis84 or Rob. I'm going to assemble this thing back together, get it out to somebody else. Thanks.